how do we know when and how to spot a comma splice or use it? So we do not want to use a comma splice, but basically this is a sentence and this right here is a sentence. This is another sentence. This is a comma splice. When you try to separate two sentences with just a comma, that is a comma splice. And this is an error. This is not something we should use. This is something we need to look out for because it is wrong and it's not allowed, all right? So just be on the lookout for comma splices because they're super, super common. They're the most common type of boundaries wrong answer that I have noticed on the SAT. So be on the lookout for them. For example, the one that we went over earlier, choice B here would be a comma splice, right? Because you remember we had two full sentences. So just be on the lookout for comma splices. They're super common, and if you can find them, it's a really easy way to say, well, this isn't the right answer. All right.